Hi dancers, welcome to week 9. Can you believe it? We are in the last 2 weeks of your term, or I should say spring semester 1. So half the semester will be over soon. I want to click on the dance website because I have some exciting information. We have rescheduled the spring dance concert. So if you scroll down here, I have information about the new date and times. So the new date is going to be Friday, May 7th, and the times are changing because the sun will be setting at a different time. So the screenings will be at 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, and 10:30. I am currently giving the ticket purchasers, the people who purchase tickets in the fall, I'm giving them an opportunity to change their times, and then on Monday afternoon I will be releasing ticket sales to the public. So back to what we'll be doing for week 9. For week 9, I made it sort of a catch-up week. So you're going to watch your screencast, and then you're going to participate in a final reflection, and this will be a graded discussion, and I'll show you more about it. And then the last thing on there is that you can catch up on your work from week 8, because you not only had to create a poster and post it, but then you also did a choreography check. So those would be 2 things that you could spend some time catching up on. So if I head over here to discussions, you will see that I have your week 9 as a pinned discussion. And what I'd like you to focus on for this week is I just want you to write a paragraph about what you feel like has been influential to you over the last 4 weeks of studying these Black voices in dance, and how innovative and how important the various contributions have been over many, many decades. So I sort of want you to kind of focus in on your biggest takeaways. I've given you some detailed starter questions. And then, as you can see here, I've said, please provide a thoughtful paragraph response. You may choose to respond to as many students as you would like. Your discussion over the past month has been beautiful, and it has been my privilege to see you and hear you as you formulate what you are learning and how it informs the dancer, and most importantly, the compassionate humans that you are becoming. So I really mean that. Your discussion, and those of you that have been engaging in the curriculum, it has just really touched my heart to see how thoughtful you are, and see that you feel safe sharing what you are sharing in these discussions. I really appreciate that. So so that's basically what we're doing this week. As I said in the beginning, you do have the opportunity to play catch up for weeks. Right here, we have a little bit of time to play catch up for that poster and for your choreography check. And other than that, that is about it, folks. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you in class. And the last thing I want to mention is that I will be doing a special survey in class, and that will serve as your attendance / engagement for the live Zoom class. So make sure that you sign in so that when we do that survey, it's very important to me that I get your information, and I really value it. All right, folks, have a great week. Thank you so much, dancers, and I look forward to seeing you in class. Bye-bye.